Class 2, English 1, Chapter 4, Singular and Plural Naming Words. Topics for today: Singular and Plural Naming Words, Spelling Rules continued. Exercise B given on page number 25 of your English 1 book. Good morning, dear children. Today in this class, we are going to continue the spelling rules we have been learning for singular and plural naming words. In our last class, we learned how to change a singular naming word to a plural naming word. Means something which is one in number as naming word to many in number. So today the rule that we are going to learn is how we change a naming word that ends with F to plural naming word by changing its last letter F or FE to VES. So this is spelling rule number 3 we are going to learn, in which we are changing any naming word which is in singular by changing the last letter F or FE to VES to make it to plural. Just look at the example given here. Loaf of bread. Here is a loaf of bread in the first example you see. When we want to say there are many loaves, many of this kind, then we say loaves. How do we change the spelling? We don't write LOAFS here because the last letter of this naming word ends with the F. So whenever a naming word that ends with F, we need to change that F. We need to remove the F, and in that place you have to write VES to make it to plural naming word like this. LOAVES. F has been removed. Now look at the next example. In this, SHELF, shelf. The last letter of this noun is, the naming word is F. So here also what we will do to make it to plural, we will remove F and we will put VES. So this becomes shelves. There are two shelves here. SHELVES, shelves. So this is the example for changing. And there's one more. There are some words which end with FE also. Like for example, knife, KNIFE. Here the last letters are F and E. So here we will remove FE, not one, just F. We will remove F and E, and in its place we will put VES by making it to KNIVES, knives. So this is the third rule for changing a singular naming word to plural naming word. Now let's look at the fourth rule. How do we change a naming word, a singular naming word, to plural naming word that ends with consonant and Y? You have to remember this, not just Y, it has to have a consonant before it. Like here we have D and Y. So when it ends with a consonant and a Y, when we make it to plural, we remove the Y and put IES in its place. So lady, LADY, lady will become LADIES, ladies. The changes are highlighted in bold. You can see that. And now look at the next one. PONY, pony. Here the last two letters are N and Y. A consonant letter and a Y. So here we have to change Y. We have to remove Y and put IES in its place to make it to plural. So here you see there's only one pony. Pony means a small baby horse. And here there are 4. So we say 4 ponies. So these are the 2 spelling rules which you have to remember today and learn it well. So whenever a singular naming word that ends with F or FE, we change that to plural naming word by adding, by first removing the F or FE, and in its place we add VES. So the next rule taught us that by we can change a singular naming word that ends with a consonant and a Y by removing the last letter, that is Y, to IES to make it to plural naming word. So let's do this exercise to understand it better. Exercise B, page number 25 of your book. You can take out your book and let's read the instruction. Exercise B, add VES to form plural forms of these naming words. So number 1, LEAF, it's leaf. The word naming word, singular naming word is leaf. So it is ending with F. So what did we learn as a spelling rule? That we have to remove F if it ends with the F. Then what will be the plural for this word? Leaves. So what will be the spelling? LEAVES, leaves. Number 2, it is shelf. Again, it is ending with the F. So what do we do to make it to plural? We remove the F and write VES to make it to plural. So plural will be SHELVES, shelves. The third one is loaf. Loaf is singular. So we remove the F and we put VES to make it to plural. LOAVES, loaves. Now the fourth question is KNIFE. See here, it is ending with F and a E. So we remove both the letters F and E and we put VES. So this will become KNIVES, knives. K is silent, so you have to say knives when you pronounce it. Then number 5, WIFE, wife. So here, how do we change it to plural? Because this word is has F and a E at the end. So we remove F and E and put VES. So the spelling will become WIVES, wives, for its plural form. Question number 6 is thief. THIEF, thief. So the last letter is F. It's ending with F. So we remove only F and we will put VES in its place. So what will be the spelling? THIEVES, thieves. Now let's do exercise number C. Here, what's the instruction? Add IES to form the plural forms of these naming words. So this is the spelling rule we learned, fourth spelling rule we learned. Whenever a singular naming word that ends with consonant and a Y, we have to remove Y and put IES in its place to make it to plural. So first question here is cherry. So what's the last letter? Y. What do you see before it? R. R is a consonant. So here the rule applies. So what do? We remove Y and put IES. So the spelling will become CHERRIES, cherries. Number 2, baby. Again here the last letter is Y and before the Y there is a consonant B. So we change this word to babies by removing the Y and putting IES in its place. So the spelling is BABIES, babies. Question number 3, story. Again we have Y and before that R is a consonant. So we remove Y and put IES in its place. So it becomes stories. Question number 4, lily. LILY. So again here the last letter is Y and before that the consonant L is there. So we remove Y and put IES in its place. So LILIES, lilies is the plural. Family. Again look at the last letter, Y is there and before that L consonant is there. So we can apply the same rule, remove the Y and put IES. Families. Then sixth question, lorry. Here also the last letter is Y, and before Y, what's the letter? R consonant letter is there. So we can apply the same rule of removing the Y and putting IES. So this becomes lorries. So I have shown you the answers here in this on the screen. You can match it with your answers and correct it in your book and do these two exercises in your copy as homework. So let's read answers for one by exercise number B. Question 1. Leaf, leaves. Shelf, shelves. Loaf, loaves. Knife, knives. 5 is wife, wives. 6 is thief, thieves. So exercise number C's answers are question number 1, cherry, cherry will become cherries. 2, baby, babies. 3, story, stories. 4, lily, lilies. 5, family, families. 6, lorry, lorries. So check your answer, learn the spellings well and write it neatly in your copy. That's your homework. That's it for all. That's it for today, children. Take care.